If you are encountering the Face ID is not available, try setting up Face ID later message on your iPhone. There are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, start with restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary issues with Face ID. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side or top button along with one of the volume buttons until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device, then press and hold the side or top button again until the Apple logo appears. So after you restart your iPhone, simply go to the Settings app available in your iPhone device and tap on the General inside the Settings. Inside General, tap on Software Update and ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS available. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address issues with Face ID as well. So after that, simply go back to the Settings and in General tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset All Settings. So after you reset all settings, it will reset your Face ID as well. So after you do this and the issue still persists, then all you have to do is go to any web browser in your iPhone. Then type down the support.apple.com and inside the Apple support, tap on the iPhone option shown there. Now after you tap on the iPhone, you'll be navigated to iPhone support. Now inside iPhone support, scroll down and tap on the Get Support option available there and tap on Start Now. After this, you will be navigated to Get Support option of iPhone. Now all you have to do is scroll down again. And firstly, you will have to log into your Apple ID in your Apple support. Then you will get to see your iPhone name in the Select a Device option. Tap on it. So after you tap on it, scroll down and tap on the More option available there. Now scroll down till you find the Face ID option available from the list. After you see Face ID, simply tap on it. So here you can see the Face ID option. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is continue with the process. After you continue, you'll get to see if Face ID is not working on your iPhone or iPad Pro, you can see the option of Face ID not working. Simply tap on it. Now here you will get to see a long description of how you can fix your Face ID in your iPhone, and simply you can follow this process, or you can simply contact the Apple support for the further process again. So by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue of Face ID not working on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.